I'm going to show you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. First, I'm going to use the peanut butter and open it, and then I'm going to use the knife, put it in there, take out the peanut butter, and put it on the bread. I'm doing a wonderful job. Not very coordinated, so. So, now I'm going to use jelly. It's kind of hard to open it. I got it, so. Need to get some jelly out. Going to put it on the bread. Ooh, it's spreading good. Uh-oh, I think I need to take off my glasses. I'm thirsty. I am thirsty. Thank you very much, Ham. Oops. Okay, I think I'm ready for my peanut butter and jelly sandwich now. Now then, eat it.
I thought Daddy makes peanut butter jelly sandwich.